Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to select a good Forex broker. What we have here is we have a list of 19 different criteria that you can apply to finding a Forex broker. So you can take this list and keep it handy if you're talking with a broker online. So here's the following questions and topics you should be discussing with your Forex broker before opening an account. You need to ask them what the minimum deposit is for a live account. Now, if you're trading at about 50 to 1, you probably need about $1,500 in your account. So you can trade between 2 to 4 micro lots is what we suggest starting with, and you can scale out lots. And the more the better. Now, if you don't have the funds to open a live account, great news, there's a lot of companies out there that will provide you with a funded Forex account. So if you click on this link here, you can find out more about that. There's a lot of companies out there that will give you a Forex brokerage account, but it's funded. It has live funds in it. All you have to do is make sure your demo trades are solid and you're a very good at demo trading, and you can get a fully funded Forex account. So if you're light on funds but you're a good trader, you can take this option here, and we'll show you how to do that. Thousands of traders every year are doing this, so this is definitely an option now. Next criteria is to make sure you can trade the 28 most liquid pairs comprised of the 8 most frequently traded currencies. And here they are. There's 28 combinations of these currencies, US dollar, Canadian dollar, etc. And you want to make sure that the broker you're going to has this. Most brokers will have these 28 pairs plus a lot more. When you get some brokers have a permanent demo account. You open up a demo account, you get to keep it, so you can test long-term strategies. Some brokers have demo accounts that only last 30 days, and it's a real hassle. You have to renew it. If you have any long-term trades going, it's not going to work. So if you're trading on the higher time frames. Now, if you have open positions, they might leave it open, the account open past 30 days, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Okay, leverage is 50 to 1 or slightly less in the United States, but there are brokers outside the United States that have leverage higher, some of them up to 500 to 1, still outside the United States. So if the broker is domiciled in the United States, it's 50 to 1. Outside the U.S., the numbers go quite high. Also, you always want to ask your broker about deposit guarantees and safety of funds. Are the funds fully protected? And we'll show you the resources to check that also here in a second. For beginner Forex traders, we suggest starting with the MetaTrader platform. And then after you've been a trader for a while, you can move to any other platform you wish, including web-based charting systems, execution systems, mobile apps, and other things that are available to Forex trader. But we think MetaTrader is a good place to start if you're a beginner Forex trader. Whatever platform you choose, make sure you can set audible price alerts. Audible price alerts are great because you can monitor the Forex market, pairs, and currencies for breakouts. You just set them up on your platform. This is how you set it up on MetaTrader. And audible price alerts are great because you can monitor the market and the movement by setting free price alerts right on your platform. Customer service options, and just make sure you have the live chat feature, email, phone support, and all the things you like. I like the live chat for getting quick answers to questions where you just go to their website and click on it and speak to someone directly. Know what your customer support options are for the broker you choose. Also, make sure you can trade micro lots in a flexible manner with your trading account. You want to learn more about trading micro lots, you can right here by clicking on that link right there to go to that document. when you start trading live and you go from demo to live, you start with a couple of micro lots, and then you can move up to 4, 6, 8, 10 micro lots from there, and then it gives you some flexibility to start ramping up. So having access to micro lots is what you need when you're opening up a Forex trading account. Now, as far as the safety of funds and regulations, if you click on these links right here, you're going to find a list of the Forex broker regulators all around the world. Whether it's the CFTC in the United States and NFA, or FCA, ASIC, that's Australia. And you go down the entire list here and we'll give you the entire list of regulatory bodies for brokers around the world. Very good resource right here. I think traders are always concerned about getting the lowest transaction cost or the lowest spread. Well, that's because they're scalping the Euro USD and they're super concerned with it. But the fact of the matter is, we trade 28 pairs with Forex Early Warning. We stay in the trades much longer. And so if you have really good spreads, but not necessarily the lowest, that's fine when using our trading system. We think probably the most important thing is immediate executions. When you click on the button to buy or sell, you want to get an immediate execution. We think that having a guaranteed stop program, where on Sunday night when the market opens, you can have price gaps. And if you have a stop, you want to make sure you get a guaranteed stop price. So trade executions, I think, is number one, and then spreads is, I think, a lesser consideration. So we're covering a lot of bases here. Okay. Safety, leverage, micro lot accounts. Right here, how long has the broker been in business? You know, did they open up shop 6 months ago, or some brokers have been around for more than 15 years, some of the long-term players. So more information here, how to add money to your account, how to withdraw it. And here's another final important one. You can read all of them. But is the user interface. You know, when you open up your brokerage platform, you want to have a look and feel on the platform that you like. You want to like the way it looks. You want to like the way it's laid out. You want to customize it the way you want. And if you don't like the way a broker's user interface looks, you can simply just go try another broker and open up a different demo platform. So make sure you like the user interface and look and feel of whatever brokerage platform you choose for doing your currency trading. And finally, understand the role of your Forex broker. A Forex broker is simply an intermediary. All they're doing is they're not telling you what pairs to buy. They're not giving you a trading system. We can do that. Forex Early Warning can give you a great trading system. But brokers they're strictly intermediaries. You buy and sell pairs at the bid and ask price, and then you close the trade out, and they're the intermediary that allows you to access the market, and they do so for a profit. I would never get trading advice or trading signals from a broker. That would be a conflict of interest. And so just remember the role of the broker as intermediaries. So to close, here's some lists of NFA registered brokers. These are good lists for folks that are maybe inside the United States. And basically, if you can take this list and it'll give you some better ideas that if you email a broker or talking to them on chat, or if you talking to them on the phone, you can ask them questions about all these things: customer service, micro lots, how are they regulated, and you can use this as a checklist when talking to your broker to pick a broker you like. So this is a list of 19 selection criteria for finding a great Forex broker, and this list is brought to you from forexearlywarning.com.